In this video, I'll walk you through the 4 types of courses you can create on the platform and when to use each one. Let's get started. First up, the free course. This is your secret weapon for building your email list and attracting new students. You can use it as an introductory preview to your premium courses. Since students have to sign in to access the course, it gives you a great chance to convert them later into paying customers. Next, we have the standard premium course, your main moneymaker. It's a publicly visible course that anyone can buy right on your website. Unless you offer a free coupon or manually enroll someone, students must pay to access it. Want to be generous? You can even mark a few lessons free inside your paid course just to give a sneak peek. Pretty cool, right? Third is the private course, perfect if you're teaching a specific group or organization. Think company training or exclusive membership content. Even though the course is visible on your site, only invited users can access it. You can enroll students using the Manage Student screen or share a private activation link. It's exclusive but still easy to manage. And finally, the hidden course. This is like stealth mode for your course. Unlike private courses, hidden courses don't appear anywhere on your site at all. Only enrolled students who are logged in will even know it exists. It's great for internal training, special offers, or just testing things out quietly. Let's do a quick recap of the course. Course types you can create on the online course host platform. Free course. You can use it to build your list and give sneak peeks. Standard premium course. This is for the public and is purchasable. Private course. This course type is visible but for invite-only members. Hidden course. This course type is invisible, exclusive, and private. One more thing, you don't have to set a price for private and hidden courses. And remember, coupon codes won't work with hidden courses because they need to be publicly visible for coupons to apply. And that's a wrap on the types of courses you can create with onlinecoursehost.com. Whether you're offering something free, premium, private, or hidden, you've got full control.